Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today I'm gonna share with you about prefixes and suffixes. Let's dive in. Prefixes and suffixes in English. What is it? These are letters that are attached to a basic word to transform it into a new word. It can be a noun, an adjective, a verb, or an adverb. Prefixes go in front, and suffixes go behind that word. The same word can have one or more translations depending on the prefix or suffix that is added to it, and there are many of them. Prefixes and suffixes each have a meaning. For example, the prefixes this, il, im, ear have a negative value, opposite. Appear, disappear. The prefix on means the opposite. Friendly means unfriendly. The prefix mis means wrongly. Understand, misunderstand. The suffix et or ity has an exaggeration value. Brutal, brutality. The suffix words implies the direction. Back, backwards. And so on. The prefixes. Here are the main English prefixes in a table. Here are the main English prefixes in a table. Prefixes. Example: co, co-worker, co-pilot, cooperation. Devalue, defrost, derail, demotivate. Disagree, disappear, disintegrate, disapprove. Embrace, encode, embed, enclose, engulf. Ex-president, ex-boyfriend, exterminate, ex-wife. Extra, extracurricular, extraordinary, extraterrestrial. Forecast, forehead, foresee, forward, foremost. Illegal. Prefixes. Example: import, impossible, impolite. Inside, insert, indefinite. Enter, intra, interact, intermediate, intergalactic, internet. Irresponsible. Microscope, microbiology, microfilm, microwave. Middle, midway, midsummer. Misbehave, mistake, misunderstood, misread. Monotone, monobrow, monolithic. Outpatient, outlive. Over, overstate, overrated. Post, postmortem, postpone, postnatal, post-war. Pre, prepaid, preschool. Re, return, rediscover, refresh, reunite. Sub, submerge, submarine, subcategory, subtitle. Super, superfood, superstar, supernatural, supermarket. Trans, transport, transnational, transatlantic, transparent. Tri, triangle, tripod, tricycle. Unfinished, unfriendly, undone, unknown, unable, unhappy. Under, underground, underestimate. Uni, unicycle, universal, unilateral, unanimous. Up, uproot, upgrade. Mini, minivan, mini market. We use im instead of in with words that start with the letter M or P. We use im instead of in with words that start with the letter M or P. There are a few rules to remember. There are a few rules to remember. Impolite, impolite. Impossible, impossible. Many words with a prefix or suffix have a base that does not exist by itself. For example, immediate. The word midget alone does not exist. Many words with a prefix or suffix have a base that does not exist by itself. For example, immediate. The word midget alone does not exist. Suffixes is the same as for prefixes, except that they are added at the end. The same word can have different meanings depending on the suffixes assigned to it, and can transform it into a noun or adjective. Read plus ear equals reader. Read plus able equals readable. You can also put both a prefix and a suffix to certain words. Un plus read plus able equals unreadable. Suffix example. Suffix to a name. AC or AC. Democracy, accuracy, lunacy. Al, remedial, denial, trial, criminal. Ans / ens. Nuisance, ambience, tolerance. Dom, freedom, boredom, kingdom. Employee, trainee. Ear / or. Reader, creator, interpreter, inventor, collaborator, teacher. Holic, alcoholic. Hood, brotherhood, childhood, neighborhood. Ism, communism, skepticism, socialism. Ist, geologist, protagonist. sexist, scientist, theorist, communist. E.T. T. Brutality, equality, cruelty. Meant, government, argument. Ness, happiness, highness, sickness. Ship, friendship, hardship, internship, relationship. Tion or shun. Position, promotion, cohesion. Suffix to a verb: ate, irritate, collaborate, create, complicate. And sharpen, strengthen, loosen, harden, soften. Iffy, fee. Justify, simplify, magnify, satisfy, clarify. Ice or eyes, publicize, synthesize, hypnotize. Adjective suffixes: able, edible, incredible, audible. Able, able. Usable, laughable. All, fiscal, thermal, herbal, colonial. Is or easy, Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese. And broken, golden, wooden. Adjective suffixes: isque or esque, picturesque, burlesque, grotesque, or picturesque, burlesque, grotesque. Full, handful, playful, hopeful, skillful, armful, useful. Classic, Islamic, poetic. Equal, psychological, hypocritical, methodical, nonsensical, musical. Ius or os, jealous, religious, ridiculous. Ish, Spanish, British, childish. Ive or Eve, inquisitive, informative, attentive. Less, meaningless, hopeless, homeless. Li, daily, monthly, weekly. E or Y, dainty, beauty, airy, jealousy. East, biggest. Adverb suffixes: li, softly, slowly, happily, crazily, madly, easily. Ward, wards, towards, afterwards, backwards, inward. Wise, otherwise, likewise, clockwise. So, there you go guys. This video answer about prefixes and suffixes. Thanks for watching.